Unlock your potential and advance your career with the CMA Part 2 Study Guide 2025 at Zain Academy. This comprehensive study resource is designed to help you conquer the Certified Management Accountant CMA Part 2 exam in just 3 months. Our study guide includes 826 questioning mind study points, 700 true-false questions with explanations, and 36 essay questions with answers, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. What you get: comprehensive content, 826 key study points to sharpen your questioning mind and deepen your understanding of CMA Part 2 concept. Practice question: 700 true-false questions with detailed explanations to reinforce your learning and build confidence. Essay preparation: 36 essay questions with model answers to help you articulate your thoughts and master essay writing. User-friendly format: integrated, printable PDF optimized for all screen sizes, with no time or device restrictions. Enjoy lifetime access to your study material. Additional resources: CMA Part 2 learning videos, available on Zain Academy's YouTube channel for visual learners. Personal support: get unlimited personal support and guidance from Muhammad Zain via WhatsApp or email. Ask questions and receive prompt expert answers. Enhance your preparation: CMA Part 2 Exam Questions 2025. Subscribe to our additional resource featuring 2055 multiple-choice questions, comprehensive explanations for all answer choices. Proven success: join the ranks of successful candidates worldwide with Zain Academy's proven track record. Our global candidates enjoy a 90% success rate, thanks to our effective study materials and support. Why choose Zain Academy? Trusted by thousands of CMA candidates globally. Positive reviews and high ratings on Google attest to our quality and reliability. Enhance your skills, boost your income, and achieve your career goal. Get started today. Subscribe to the CMA Part 2 Study Guide 2025 from Zain Academy's website and take the first step towards earning your Certified Management Accountant CMA certification. Elevate your career with our expertly crafted resources and personalized support.